You know, it's hard to believe that it's been nearly 30 years since Ford introduced Aero headlights on the Mustang. And even though it can be argued that the Aero headlights look much better than those seal beam halogens that they replaced, the truth is, these Aero headlights don't always age well. Sometimes they fog up, sometimes they yellow, and they just generally can look crummy. Well, the headlights on our 1999 Mustang GT, well, they don't look terrible, and they've been really cared for. Matter of fact, I replaced them probably about 10 years ago, but it's time. We're gonna put a new set on, but first, we gotta back it up and get some room. Let's get to it. First thing we do is pop the hood. Ford did a great job with these headlights as far as making them easy to install and remove. There are 2 clips here that push straight down into the headlight, which holds it to the headlight panel. When you pull up on these, the headlight simply pulls right off. No muss, no fuss. But first, we're gonna put a towel under here so we don't get any scratches on the body. Side by side, the old headlight and the new headlight are almost identical. On the left is an OEM Ford piece that's probably been on the car for about 10 years or so. Note that this 99 originally had the silver style headlight, and I had changed it to a 2001 to 2004 headlight. And on the right is our aftermarket. And everything looks great, the seals, the mounting parts. We transferred over the headlight bulb and the side marker bulb. So let's pop it back into place. With the headlight out, now is a great time to get in here for some quick cleaning. Make sure that as you put it in, both the headlight harness and the side marker harness are sticking out so that you can plug them in. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is plug in the side marker. And after that, the headlight. And carefully press the headlight into place. The guide pins will push it where it has to be. Once the headlight is in, simply push the retaining pins back into place, and that's it. Let's get on to the other side. And that's it. All done, and our 1999 GT has a fresh look.